Hello and welcome to Financeable. Today we are going to learn how to log in into RACV finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. Now you need to look in the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar and you just need to type RACV finance login. And when you have typed it, you just have to press enter in the keyboard and this web search result will be shown to you, and the first search result is the sign-in portal of RACV Bank. So you just need to click on here and the portal will be open to you and the interface will be shown to you. You just need to wait for a few seconds or few minutes depending on your internet connection, and when this portal is open to you, as you can see, it is a login portal. In this box you just need to enter your email address, and here you need to enter your password, and when you have entered both your email address and password, you can just click on this login button that is shown right here in the below or on the left corner. So when you have logged in successfully, you will be able to enjoy every facilities and services provided to you by RACV Finance. And if you have forgotten your password, you can just look at the right hand side. There is a forgot password button. You can just click here and RACV Finance will help you to retrieve your password or change the password. So this is how you can easily log in into RACV Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.